Okay, guys, so Thanksgiving is around the corner and want to talk about what you should be doing and how should you handle the holidays. It can be very stressful. I have a few rules that I want you to kind of keep in place throughout the holidays, whether it's Thanksgiving or Christmas or Hanukkah or whatnot. One of my biggest rules is no grazing. Some of us might be in the kitchen all day slaving away. No grazing, okay? Eat at the times that you're supposed to eat and don't eat at the other times. Grazing can easily contribute to over 1,000 extra calories a day that you don't need. Let's face it, those little bites are never gonna get you full. When it comes to the actual meal, make one plate. Not really a fan of going back for seconds or thirds. Chances are, take some time, rest, and you'll see that you're full enough. It's okay to indulge a little bit. Lots of carbs during this time of year. Enjoy some, but also fill up on the good stuff. Up on the nice grilled vegetables, or the truffle asparagus, or even a carrot souffle that I like to make. If you're going to indulge in any desserts, just have it right after the meal and don't make a special time for it. And my last tip is to stick with some of those approved alcohols. I know football's going on, we can get carried away with the beer and wine. So stick to either that vodka, the tequila, or the gin. Straight up or with some soda water, lemon or lime is okay too. I hope these tips help, and I hope everybody enjoys a wonderful holiday with friends and family.